Do you ever just look at a space and you're like, no, that needs to be redecorated immediately. I can't keep looking at it anymore. Yeah, okay, well that is my vanity area. This home, it's like from the 80s and it has never been updated. So anything that's been done to this home, I'm pretty sure is because of my husband and I. We've been here 8 years almost. I do honestly love this home. I love that it's old. I love that it has character. But with that being said, once I get an idea in my mind, once I like see the vision, it has to come into fruition immediately. And now we're here, baby. Now it's time. We're only doing 3 things, but I think it's gonna make a world of difference. This mirror will be changed out. We're also gonna be putting contact paper on this sink. And then I wanna take these doors completely off and I'm gonna do curtains. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is the contact paper. I literally just randomly had the idea and went on Amazon and I typed in, I think like cover for countertop, and all of this contact paper came up. This one had great reviews. You know me, big review girly. I will link this down below for you guys. A lot of people said that it helps if you have a wallpaper application kit, so I also got that. There we go. Okay, here's where I'm at so far. I've figured out that when it comes to the sink, it's better if you go in like quadrants. So I would do like little squares and then lay down your little square here. Make sure you have enough for like your edge or whatever, and then use the razor. That's like the only way I can get like the exact measurement of it, because even just trying to trace it and cut it out that way was like funky. So that's my advice if you do this. Okay, the sink is done. Please look at the door. This almost took me out. Like literally, I underestimated how long it would take. Okay, let's get going. This mirror has probably never been taken down since it's been installed. In these moments when I realize that I need to work out my arms more. Oh God. Gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna set this back up. We got the vanity done. I'm freaking obsessed. I cannot wait to do a beauty maintenance day. Okay, hi, it's tomorrow. You know, I'm just serving the looks in this vlog. Anyways, it is the next day. I wanted to show you what the counter looks like in the mirror because it is just absolutely stunning. It literally looks like a whole new space. Obviously, we have to do these guys. Let's get into it. Oh, shit. That was easy. 50 inches. Then we have this, which we have to hang up. I'm gonna put these so like 2.5 inches over here. Okay, here are the curtains. Super gorgeous. Let me make sure I don't have anything on my hands. I need to be careful with these because they're like velvety, but they're 90 inches. So they're gonna go from all the way up there. It's like 6.5 inches from where the doors were. So it should elongate this wall really nicely. But we have 2 panels, which is perfect because we can do like the whole middle separation thing. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. I'm just gonna put these up. All right, let's do it. This is always fun. Okay. Oh my god. Are you not gagged? It's so cute. And then when we want to open it, we just... Hello, closet. Wow. Now this really makes me want to redo my closet. I have all of these visions about doing like wallpaper, like a crazy pattern, and like redoing some of the rods, making more use of the space because there's a lot of dead space. Okay guys, it's actually 2 days later, so I've had like a full 2 days to enjoy my vanity. I did end up covering these 2 things. I feel like it looks really good. Are you ready for the final reveal? Here it is. All we did was change 3 things. I am literally so obsessed. And like, look, from this angle, like it just looks really clean, really chic. Anyways, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below as per usual. And of course, I will have everything linked in the description box. Also, if you liked this video, definitely make sure you check out these videos. I will be sure to link the video where I redid my office last year. I'm off to finish my work day, but I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you next Friday. Bye.